Hello everybody, it's once again time to clean the floor. Today I'm going to use some vintage Spic and Span bathroom cleaner. This one dates to 1992. And here's the back label. Let's go on over to the floor cam and see what this does. Over at the floor cam, this is a pretty thick product. Kind of your garden variety bathroom cleaner type smell. Sort of smells like bleach, but not exactly. It says it doesn't contain any bleach, but don't mix it with bleach is what it says. So we'll go ahead and go back over to the floor cam and get started. As usual, I will go over the floor twice and rinse in this solution right here between rounds. Let's get started. Round one. It certainly has a clean scent. Looks like it's doing a fine job. Round two. And round two is completed. Here's a look at the water after. Quite a bit darker, so it did pick up some good dirt. Overall seems to be a pretty good cleaner. Not sure why it was discontinued, but it does a pretty nice job. I would certainly buy it if it was still available. Once again, cleaning the floor with Spic and Span bathroom cleaner. Thank you for watching.